Redmi 9A release date Pakistan. Xiaomi held a big product launch keynote today where we saw the global debuts of its latest ecosystem products. Alongside the new Mi electric scooters, curved gaming monitor, Mi TV stick and other smart accessories, we got the global pricing for the Redmi 9A and 9C smartphones. Both of these were previously announced in Malaysia last month. The 9A is the most affordable entry in the Redmi 9 series with a €99 starting price. It features a 6.53-inch LCD with HD Plus resolution and a water drop notch for the 5MP selfie cam. The back houses the single 13MP shooter and LED flash combo. Under the hood, we have the Helio G25 chipset paired with 2GB RAM and 32GB of expandable storage. The battery comes in at 5000 mAh and charges over micro USB. The phone boots Android 10 with MIUI 12 on top. The Redmi 9A comes in gray, green and blue colors. Availability was not detailed. The 9C will go for €119 for the base 232 of a GB variant and €139 for the 3/64 of a GB trim. It boasts the same 6.53 display as the 9A, complete with the 5MP selfie shooter. Around the back, we find two 2MP auxiliary cameras for macro shots and depth data. The phone runs on the Helio G35 chipset and can be had with 2 or 3 GB RAM and 32/64 of a GB storage. Another shared characteristic with the Redmi 9A is the 5000 mAh battery and micro USB charging port. The software side is covered by MIUI 12 on top of Android 10 and color options are gray, orange and blue. Like the Redmi 9A, we did not get any availability details about the 9C.